Okay, guys. Oh my god. I went to Target right now. I came back like 30 minutes ago, and look I found the new trophy champion rhinomite. This one is a real. I love how nice this looks. 50th Bigfoot, guys, a trophy. All these are re-releases except for they have Scratch Attack, which I need to get as well. The only ones I need is the Bigfoot 5 alarm for this set. Oh, and Scalosaurus is going to come out, which is really nice. So here's the back, guys. Rhinomite Trophy Champions packaging, and let's go ahead and open it. Oh, the trophy just popped out. It's over here. So here it is, guys. A little trophy. Oops, the truck's rolling over. Don't roll away from me. Little trophy, of course. I like how they did this little trophy. It's nice. Now the cool thing is about this truck. Look at this, guys. Isn't that cool? Look at that beautiful gold how it shines. Look at that rhinomite, guys. Look at that. The golden horn, golden flames. 68. Gold rims and beadlocks, black tires, gold roll cage, black chassis. Rhinomite. Really, look at that beautiful gold. The ears, and then the gold tail. The dynamite stick, and then 68 on the back. With the red stripe. So that's all I got, guys. I'm going to get the 5 alarm and Scratch Attack next, hopefully. Stop rolling away. Like, subscribe, comment, share, has more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.